Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by capturing the actual failure. Stop the server, backup server. Jar in your world, then run the server from a terminal so you see the full Java exception. Once done, note the Java version and the first exception class and message. These tell you whether it's a mod, plugin, or JVM mismatch. Make sure to copy the entire stack trace. Without it, you'll be guessing. This immediate evidence directs every next fix, so don't skip it. Now you use the stack trace to identify the root cause. Look for named mods, plugins, or classes and the topmost non-Java. Asterisk frame. Once identified, verify compatibility. Mod versions must match the server and Java runtime. If uncertain, perform a binary search. Disable half of mods or plugins, restart, and see if the error persists. Repeat until isolated. This method narrows faults quickly. Make sure to test with a clean server jar to rule out corrupted files or launchers. Finally, apply the appropriate fix. Update the offending mod or plugin, replace incompatible libraries, or install the correct Java runtime. Once done, clear cached libraries and run the server with a fresh server. Jar while watching logs. If you change Java, ensure path and service configs point to the new binary. After the server runs clean, re-enable other mods or plugins one at a time to confirm no regressions. If problems
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.